State General Secretary of ABVS Tamil Nadu North, Sri Dr. G. Babu, to address the audience to give a brief report of ABVS.
Most respected Mr. Justice Lakshmi Narayan, Learned Additional Solicitor General of India, Madras High Court, National Guiding Principal as well as Vice President of Adhivakta Parishad, Sri Rajendranji and Bhaskarji, senior advocates who are assembled here, law officers, and many our own Karyakarta from various districts. It is my pleasure and pride to stand before you as an Adhivakta which connect nation first as a concept of advocate, that is instrument of connecting nationalism in the profession, that is called Adhivakta Parishad. The way we work with, wherever we go with as a legal professional, wherever possibility is there, we try to connect law as a core principle, even during our practice or during our outreach work or during our legal aid. It is a primary objective of Adhivakta Parishad is to capacitate advocates, whoever having a mindset of strengthening patriotism mixed with professionalism, where our Adhivakta people are there. In fact, our Adhivakta means across the country, across the globe, we do operate 26 countries on the different name. Despite we are one of the world's largest legal body in the world, that is again Adhivakta Parishad, and a large number of advocates who assembled in one platform that is aiming to support nationalism. Again Adhivakta. Like that we have got a different structure. We have got a national level structure, state level structure, even IM wise work. There are many activities are taking place on the name of Adhivakta Parishad. For instance, Adhivakta now has been bifurcated in the, that is called nothing but IM or department wise. We have got a department now. In a single Adhivakta cannot work on his own. There is a national system to guide us, how to take it further. That kind of inspiration, source, everything, energy being given by the national driven force, being instrumental for each and every one of us. Therefore, when we started this movement in Tamil Nadu during the year 2012, hardly about 6 people. That is one of Major, our own Guru is sitting here as a national vice president who visited Tamil Nadu. That time, I was here to I was made many questions. Now, I stand before you to advocate, to profess, trying to connect new people into the system. This is how we grown up because of our senior Karyakarta put across in the ground after sufficient training. Now we are competent to play in any ground on the name of nationalism. That is our strength. Number 2, it is not merely speaking. It is a matter of inaction that has been proved in Tamil Nadu. Many people in the initial stage hesitant to talk about Adhivakta Parishad because the name itself denotes that it is a northern word. Now there is no more northern word. That kind of recognition comes in because of our activity. It was penetrated into the society, the way which works. There are certain activities now. It is visible because a continuous training being given to the advocate to capacitate their building, and also there are many legal aid camps being adopted at rural and tribal areas. It is one of the component. Apart from that, even we are making several studies, that too particularly, that the court system, whatever infrastructure facilities available in the state, we have done one of the key pilot study which was presented before Chief Justice of India, and among one which You all know Nilgiri district, newly constructed court complex. That I don't want to go into detail those, because each and every Karyagata who are working in an ordinary Mapasal court, they are able to connect with the system and access to justice in a way, helping us speedy recovery as a part and partial of Adhivakta role is there, because Adhivakta will only advocate those who are having a court practice, not any other practice, just merely completing degree. That is a kind of, requirement of being a member of Adhivakta Parishad. Therefore, we have been doing several activities like training, not only training of, updating legal knowledge. Apart from that, the legal system, how it works. For example, today there is a new law which is going to be enacted, where our role is there to give a feedback. It may be state level or maybe at national level, at any level, be the people, the first people that is trying to criticize or suggesting few more suggestions for the welfare of the people. That is kind of capacity now we have, gained because of our national and many other player being a part and parcel of the event. To be very honest to tell you, this movement being initiated by 3, that is Jambavan of Supreme Court judges. Now there are many Jambavan become guiding forces. Even wherever we go, we'll take a support of those experienced legal luminaries are part and parcel of our force. Therefore, we have got a humble strength now to work any state. Like now we are able to succeed because of all your commitment in Tamil Nadu. That is being, everyone is watching us about our growth and other aspect, how we are dealing with the many other, including political arena. Though we are not associated with any other political party, we are trying to connect with political system as well as legal arena. I never hesitate to tell you about today topic, what we are celebrating on the name of Constitution. Constitution as connecting to culture. It is evident to say culture we cannot, divide or take separate. What we have in the past, our elders lived in the country. It is about Dharma Shastra, which is nothing but religious rituals. Now we are going again. The king who ruled the country, they got a system of how to manage a people, right from inheritance to family. And when family is any dispute, the Dharma Shastra has played a vital role before 2300 years. That has been documented. After the Mughal empires started coming here, there was a space like adopting new Muslims law also on the name of different spheres, different name. Whereas the system of justice delivery was there very well before this constitution. Therefore, we would like to expose those experienced persons who played a major role to enlightening justice in the not only country, in the South Asia. Therefore, the culture who written a different pictorial representation you are seeing here is nothing but we are invited those days to decorate our constitution in the form of cultural and more pictorial representation. Therefore, now we are celebrating those days. Those days experience being definitely going to be instrumental for future day. I hope I cannot take encumbrance. Our Lordship going to deliver in this subject. Therefore, I conclude my speech with a request of whatever we are today enjoying, whatever today we are adorning our role, everything comes from our own culture, nothing but any other country. The entire other countries now trying to learn from our own system, including constitution. If you go to the earlier, pre-AD period, now we can able to say that how India was in earlier, how Bharat was in earlier, that kind of scope will come very soon. That is achievement of connecting all South Asia. Day will become very soon. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Babuji, for enlightening about